Hey, and welcome to Additive Manufacturing Software. AMS is the most flexible business automation system. It is much more than just a manufacturing execution system. It has a robust commercial core inside that incorporates customer management, sales, inventory, accounting. Join us as we delve into the core modules of our advanced system, empowering you to effortlessly manage the complete business cycle. Upon placing an order, all components are swiftly forwarded to the dispatcher's buffer. The dispatcher undertakes the task of assembling batches from the individual parts of the order. To create a new batch, you have the authority to handpick and effortlessly shift the selected parts of the order. Once the physical printing process is initiated, you will have the option to access the Kanban board for efficient process management. In the production step, engineers can transfer batches between status steps, specifically from in progress to done, leading to the next stage, sorting. Sorting is a crucial post-processing step involving shot peening, coloring, polishing, and threading. Its primary function is defect identification. Engineers select batches, specify quantities, and forward them for further processing. Finally, the sorted batches are ready for shipping. Getting started is easy. Schedule a guided demo with an expert